Yo, welcome to this exciting video. I'm going to be showing you how to get your affiliate link on the Expertnaire platform and how also to shorten your link. Let's dive right into it. Okay, so the first thing you do is go to your browser, go to the Expertnaire website, expertnaire.com. The next thing is to type in your email. Okay, so type in your email. Your password, you can do remember me or not, then you sign. After signing in, you come to your platform, your Expertnaire dashboard. Okay, so you have your dashboard, you have your report on this left-hand side, but you come to the product marketplace. So on the product marketplace, you have a lot of products. So you see a lot of people saying only 72IG what is being, so no, there are lots. You can actually pick anyone you want from this. So you have the row 2, you can still see others up to 5. So you can see there's a whole lot in there. Okay, so let me go back to the number 1. There's a new course listed for Saplistic Blueprint by 𝐬𝐻𝐫𝐢𝐻. So if you are affiliating for this and you want your referral link, your affiliate link rather, click here. Now you don't need to highlight or do anything. No, just click once. You've copied it. You've copied it. It's as simple as that. So what you need to do is come to the tiny URL. So on the tiny URL, what you need to do is to paste the affiliate link in here. Paste the affiliate link in here. Okay, let me use this one. Okay, paste your affiliate link in here. Then what you need to do next is to make it tiny. Make it tiny. So this is your affiliate link. Another thing you can also do. Is, so you can copy this and paste it wherever, anywhere you want to paste it. So another thing you can also do is to put in your affiliate link again. Okay, 1 minute. Put in your affiliate link again. That's copied, so you can actually put an alias. So let's say tiny URL, my special link for you. Let's see if this will make tiny. So when you make this tiny, or somebody has already used this, okay, no space, make sure there's no space, make tiny. So this is saying short URL limit reach. Okay, not to worry. So you can also use another website called Replantly. So set cookies. So let's paste here. These are shorten URL. It's asking for verification bridges. I think we're done. Verify. Okay. So can you see? So you copy this. So another thing you want to do is to keep it somewhere. Paste, keep it, so that you can use it some other place. Another thing again, you want to test your URL. So let me highlight this paste. So this is the shorten URL. Let's see if it takes us to the sales page of the product. Okay, so it's as simple as this. Log in, go to the product marketplace, click on the affiliate link, shorten with tiny URL or Replantly. And that is all. Thank you guys for listening. See you in the next video. Yo.